We've got a 2018 Ford Expedition Limited. It's a new arrival. It is four-wheel drive. Balanced on the factory warranty. It's got some nice equipment on it. Power boards, tinted windows with the chrome accents. Rear backup camera, rear sensors. It's got two sets of keys. It's got a smart key on it as well. It's just loaded with stuff. Heated, cooled seats. Big sunroof. Let's see if we can get this thing open. Looks like it's got an additional glass for the rear passengers as well. It opens up very nice. There's your power boards. Goes the boards. Come and see us at Poage Chevrolet.